Hello, welcome to OMC Kia and Ford in Oldham. Today we're looking at this Kia Sportage. This is the Sportage 3, it's a 1.6 petrol. Car's currently covered 32,278 miles. It's in blue flame. Car was registered in September of 2020, meaning it's got full Kia warranty until 2027. It's a one-owner car with full service history by us here at OMC. Specifications include satellite navigation, rear view camera, panoramic sunroof, got Bluetooth, auto lights, auto wipers, cruise control, front and rear parking sensors, diamond cut alloy wheels, full leather interior with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. The car is available for viewing and for test drive here at OMC in Oldham. We're on Manchester Road, Oldham, and we can also supply a more personalised, more detailed video if required. We'll take any car as a part exchange and we'll appraise your car while you're driving ours. We offer a selection of finance products, both hire purchase and personal contract plan, and your salesman will go through both these options when you're in the dealership. If you'd like any further information or you'd like to book your appointment, or you can even reserve the car online, please give us a call on 0161 287 4141.